Okay, so in this new histogram that we're formatting, we can see that there's a problem that we need to fix. So if you look, for example, at this first class, and it's got the number 48 below it, but the number 48 refers to the upper class boundary, not the midpoint. So we actually want this number to be the value of the midpoint between the lower class boundary and the upper class boundary. So this needs to read 24. You'll see up here with this one that was completed, the lower class boundary of the first class was 0, and the upper class boundary was 27. And so the midpoint between 0 and 27 is 13.5. And 13.5 is what we have here as a number below the first class, with a tick mark kind of indicating the middle point. And so that's the thing that we need to change down here for our histogram. So to do that, first, click the chart to select it, something like that. And we're going to go to the chart design menu. So it brings up the chart design ribbon, and click here on select data and left click it. And in this select data source, the thing that we're going to change is going to be the horizontal axis labels. So you can see we've got the label 48, 96, 144, 192, 240. That's these numbers down here. And so if we click edit, it's saying access label range. So we're going to go ahead and hit the delete key. You can see all of this is selected. So I hit the delete key, it all goes away. And I'm going to redefine what these access labels should be. So I'm going to click this up arrow button that's off to the side here. And now it's going to allow me to select the values for the midpoints. So I'm going to select these values, because remember, this column that we made are the midpoints for every class. And now you can see, here is the reference to that range, and it's highlighted here. So now I can click this down arrow button, and you can see this is my new entry. And now it's going to use the numbers 24, 72, 120, 24, 72, 120, and so on. So I can click OK. And let's check down here. Yeah, that looks good. And click OK again. And now you can see we've got the numbers 24, 72, 120, 168, and so on. So that looks correct.